Hi friends and welcome to our channel Teju Rakshana's Tube Time, and today we are going to make puffed rice ball Pori Urundai, and it's very easy to make and it takes only 10 minutes to make it. So let's go and see the preparations and cooking. So here's a 3 cup of puffed rice ball. So let's dry roast it on medium flame. After dry roasting, it becomes crispy. So let's wait until it turns crispy. We'll buy in shops, so now it's the time to make it home. See, slightly goldenish brown, right? It turned crispy. Now let's transfer it. Let's add 1 tablespoon of ghee in the tawa. Now add 1 cup of jaggery into the tawa. On low flame. It melts like a caramel. So frothy. See, it became so frothy. Let's add the puffed rice ball, the jaggery, and let's mix it. Let us off the flame and gently mix it. Wow. The smell is so good. It is slightly warm now, so now let us make the balls. So we should do it in slightly warm condition itself. My mom is helping me to do it fast. If it is cool, we will not be able to make the balls. I tried it and it is very tasty. You also try it and place your feedback in the comment section below. And please like, share and subscribe our channel Teju Rakshana's Tube Time. And see you then. Bye bye.